people, so welcome back again. If you're just seeing me for the first time, this is HBM Organic Beauty, and please give my video a thumbs up. All right, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a body scrub. This body scrub will actually help to fade out dark spots in cooperation with any good brightening or lightening cream, and brighten dark areas on your body. Like if you have dark armpit, you have dark bikini areas, you have dark neck, for people that used to have hyperpigmentation on their neck, dark neck, you have dark knuckles, you have dark knee, dark elbow. This scrub have actually helped me a lot. Trust me, it's a simple scrub that you just do with few ingredients that you can easily get. So this scrub can be sold. You can make this scrub and sell. It is stable. It will last up to like 2 years. This scrub will help to even out the skin tone. If you're having a damaged skin, you want to repair your skin, you're having discoloration, skin discoloration, you can actually use this scrub to scrub the skin. Use this scrub 3 times in a week to scrub the skin, and trust me, you're going to see tremendous results. And again, our skincare class is always ongoing. If you want to learn how to make skincare products online, we have online classes for skincare formulation. You want to learn how to make body enhancement products like your breast firming, or I have potent recipes for body enhancement, guys. And we have physical skincare class coming up. So if you want to learn how to make skincare products one-on-one with me, you want to come over to learn, we'll be providing accommodation for students that will be partaking in our physical skincare class. So if you know you want to learn how to make products one-on-one, yeah, we have a class that is coming up. So always watch out for my community tab, watch out for my posts. I'll still make a detailed video giving out information about these classes, but let me just give you a hint. You'll be learning how to make natural skincare formulation, and you'll be learning how to do whitening products also. This is a package that is meant for people that really want to start up a skincare business. You know, you want to advance in your formulas, you want to make products that are effective, you want to start up skincare business. Don't miss this class. And I am having bonus. I'll be teaching you how to do facials, different kind of facials, like your microdermabrasion, your basic facials, your derma planning, your high frequency facials, and so many facials. I'll be teaching you how to take off skin tags. I'll be teaching you a lot of things as bonus. So trust me, you don't want to miss this class. Coupled with that, there will be a provision for accommodation. You don't want to miss this physical skincare class. Like HBM is fully ready for coaching. So you guys should always watch out for my videos, watch out for my community tab post, turn on your notification bell. You need to make the scrub so that it will help your skincare product to work perfectly. So let's just dive straight into the video.